This is another curve which is describing the light. So we know that someone said the most attractive thing is between 4 and 700, but this is not not precise, because for a routing system the light is attractive even in 380, 360. So this light is building the routes, for example. But we got something like a booster in infrared. This is close infrared. I mean, this is something like 730, 750. In this range, this is information which is very important for plants, and this is with the part of radiation was missing in PAR. But this gives you the big influence in the light. So just imagine one thing. This is a plant, and this is another big plant. If I put the shadow, the small plant, those plants will be in a shadow. So the nature got the one system which is solved this problem. This system is a receptor for infrared, and if the plant are covered by the other plant, and the shadow is on the smaller plant, those leaves are filtered the lights for a spectrum, and only infrared will pass through the leaves, because the infrared is much more bigger and penetrate the leaves almost totally. So those radiation will be very strong signal, grow faster, and this why we put on our product the red boost, and this why it's very important to provide the infrared in, of course, some radio, but this part of PAR radiation is missing in range 400 to 700. Our product is building for plants, so we're putting infrared too. The plants is a small manufacturer of sugar, for example. They got a lot of factory for a sugar, so they grab the photons and they using those energy. They making the sugar, and this sugar is transporting to the whole plants, building the plants, and this is a photosynthetic process. So, in the meaning of the what's the photosynthetic, this is the result. For example, if we put into the water some pigment in cold water, they will not mix it; they will be separate. But if you just boil the water or hot enough water, immediately the process will be speed up very much. It's the same situation in plants. Our goal point is something between during the day phase 25-28 degrees, and this is a holy grail for photosynthetic process. Most of plants are the best photosynthetic process is in temperature of that kind of range. But this is limitation for HPS. The high pressure sodium provides you a lot of heat. It's okay during the winter, but what during the summer? You cannot use the HPS technology in the summer, because you got problem with heat, overheat, and if you increase the heat about the 30 degrees, your photosynthetic process is slowing down. So it doesn't matter how much your light you're putting on the plant. The plant, it doesn't work like that. In this condition, the plant will be vaporize the water, open every holes, and dehydrating the plants.